this is my Armattan 258, CF258. It's a few years old now. It's been going strong. So anyway, I just changed all the ESCs to new 30 amp ESCs because I wanted to start flying tri-blades, because it just seems like they it performs better. But with the old ESCs, it just felt like it was going to blow. They were roasting every single time. So I stuck on 30 amp ESCs, stuck on the tri-blades. I actually took it for a fly with these 7-inch props, 7 by 4.5 props about 5 minutes ago. Now it is windy outside, but yeah, the result is 3 broken props in the middle of a power loop. So they might have been damaged previously by crashes, but yeah, not good. So anyway, changed to the tri-blades, changed to the 30 amp ESCs. These motors should be able to handle this. They're not the fastest motors in the world, but they do the trick. So yeah, let's go outside and see what happens. Okay, so this is round 2. I'm trying to fly this out here. As you can hear, it is quite windy. There we are. Hard against me right now, but yeah, it definitely seems to be flying much better. Yeah, there's just too much wind. Okay, so we're back in from outside. It was just way too windy out there. But the new ESCs held up really well. They're not even warm. Even the motors, the bells, they don't even feel slightly warm. We lost a prop, another one, but anyway, that's fine. There was a big gust of wind and it just blew straight into a tree. That was my first review. Please excuse the editing. I know it was awful. It was my first try. If you can see past that, hopefully you enjoyed it. I'll be doing a couple more videos like that. I'll probably try and get a flight video, just a flight video up next of this without serious. I think it's like 25-mile-an-hour winds or 35-mile-an-hour winds out there right now, so it wasn't ideal, but I just thought I'd try it anyway. And yeah, there'll be some cool videos coming up. I've got a kind of like a half review of some T-motors that I'm gonna stick onto this warp quad right here. And then some first flight footage of this, see how it goes. We'll probably have a good few crashes in there, so if you like that sort of thing, probably worth a look. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. So if you liked the video, maybe hit like, And if you want to see more, you could subscribe. I know it's early days, but it's possible that this might get good, so you never know what might happen. Catch you next time. Bye.